Alright everyone, welcome to Most Valuable Box Breaks. I'm Joe, another box of 2011 Prime Sigs. Everyone who purchased a team with the team who they purchased will be in the description below. So let's get a hit. Slide. Chris Cooley for the Redskins. 258 out of 499. Everson Walls for the Cowboys, retro, 166 out of 499. AP, Adrian Peterson, my favorite player, 81 out of 99. John Clegg, what's that? Cleggo for the Jets, black ink, 58 out of 75. Nice old school auto there. So congratulations to the Jets. Thanks again, everyone.